The operating mode magnetometer is used to prepare your scan field and clear your target area of ferrous waste. View the immediate feedback on the display to identify ferromagnetic materials in the ground near the surface. Connect the appropriate probe. You may use the super sensor, the telescopic probe, or the live stream sensor. Choose the operating mode magnetometer. Be sure that the probe is held above neutral soil when starting the scan. If you have activated the magnetometer above a metallic object, perform an additional ground balance by clicking on the ground balance icon in the lower right corner. The red signals moving upwards are positive magnetic poles of ferromagnetic objects. The blue signals moving downwards are negative magnetic poles.